A lot of people think you're gonna suffocate in your sleep if you use mouth tape at night for a better jawline, but that is not true. Let me tell you how it works. Just look at my 5-month transformation. I've slept absolutely amazing. I have way better facial structure and I'm just way healthier overall. Make sure when you're mouth taping, you're not using regular tape because that's not breathable and that can actually get really dangerous. I use this company Snore because it's made of silk and it's not gonna irritate your skin over time, and it's the only brand I've found that come with 30 of these nose strips for completely free. If you guys wanna level up for 2025, this is one of the best ways to do it and it's even on sale right now. I dropped the link below.